Welcome back to Revolutionizing Healthcare. And today we're going to be making an all-natural brown sugar lip scrub. Real quick guys, before we begin, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button. We usually put up at least one video a week and you do not want to miss out. Also, join our Facebook group where we have constant essential oil ideas posted every day. Ingredients you are going to need for this project: 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 drops of peppermint essential oil or another oil of your choice, a 2-ounce salve jar. If you're using a citrus oil, make sure that your jar is glass. Simply, in a glass bowl, mix all ingredients together. Next, transfer to the salve jar. To use, place a small amount on lips, rub together for a couple minutes, then rinse with water. There we have it guys, another natural solution for a toxic problem. Guys, as always, please throw me some thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, that way you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos coming up. And remember, you can find the best ingredients and the best essential oils in the entire world at the best prices in the link down below. I will see you next week on Revolutionizing Healthcare.